Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be looking at a non-right triangle. We have an angle between two given sides. Right across from it is our side that we're looking for, the value for B. Alright, so here we're going to look to apply a formula. And this formula, you just are going to use the numbers that are associated with the given sides. Okay? And so there we go, we substituted all the points necessary, and from there we go ahead and square each term along with the unit of measurement. We simplify, and after simplification we add, because two negatives give you a plus, a positive, and there we go, we have added those numbers. Now we need to square root the square to get B by itself. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. We're square rooting the square, and whatever you do on one side you do on the other side. And this is the answer to 2 decimal places, and this is the answer to 3 significant figures. Thank you for listening.